Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a person in the news that you want to meet. You should say who he is, why he is on TV, why you want to meet him.
Certainly, I can describe a person in the news that I would like to meet. One person who I have been following in the news recently is Elon Musk. Elon is a successful entrepreneur and businessman who has founded multiple companies, including SpaceX and Tesla. Elon is often on TV because he is a high-profile figure in the business and technology worlds. He has made headlines for his ambitious projects, such as developing reusable rockets to reduce the cost of space travel and creating electric cars to help reduce emissions and combat climate change. He has also been involved in discussions around the future of technology, including the potential for artificial intelligence to transform our world. I would love to meet Elon because I think he is a fascinating and innovative person who has accomplished a lot in his career. I am interested in hearing more about his vision for the future and how he sees technology evolving over the coming years. I think it would be an amazing opportunity to learn from him and to gain insights into how he approaches problem solving and innovation. Plus, I think it would just be really cool to meet someone who has achieved so much. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.